Look, I'm going to show you a card trick using the POV gimmick. It's a great concept with a surprise ending. I think you like it. You have never seen it.
I have never. I mean, you told me yesterday that you were going to show me something with the gimmick that I was about to love, and I hope.
I hope so. I hope so. I hope so.
I'm sure I will.
Yes, using some cards. Let me just shuffle them. And while I shuffle, I want you please to think of any number between 1 and 6. Just 1 and 6 is fine. You will see why in just a moment. And place it in the post-it. Write it down, and then place it face down in my hand. So, yeah, I cannot see. Right?
Got it. Yeah.
Perfect. By the way, you can show it to the camera. Sorry, can you can show to the camera? Yes. And
should I remove it?
Yes, please. Yeah, show them.
Oh. Sorry.
I'm not looking. I'm not looking. I promise.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
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 My hands are empty.
Sure.
Yes. Okay. Great. Now let's try something. I want you please to remove from the deck 6 cards. Any 6 cards that you want. It can be in the group or one by one.
Okay. Yeah.
It's up to you, as you want.
2, 6.
Yes.
Can I take a look at them?
Yeah. 4.
This one, I like it. And this 2, yeah. Got them.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. You can please shuffle them. Okay. Now this is what is going to happen. I want you to place them face up. And now I want you to remember, I want you to place the cards one by one face up in the deck, one by one. And when you reach the number that you are taking off, that you wrote on the post-it, I want you to remember that card.
Okay.
Okay, the others do not matter.
Got it.
Okay, so you can place one right here.
Here.
Yes, very well. One more.
Here.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. So I want you to think of that, okay, of that card. And now let's try something. I want you to imagine all the other cards turning upside down except your card. It will be great, right?
It will be amazing.
Let's try this. And if I spread the cards, was your card the 10?
It was.
Of hearts?
It was.
Precisely the 10 of hearts.
It
right?
was.
A miracle. But you wrote something in a post-it a few moments ago.
Yeah.
Right? May I see it, please?
Sure.
Yeah.
Let me open it.
Yeah. Which number
4.
was it?
It was a 4.
Oh, the number 4.
Yeah.
One of my favorite numbers.
Really?
Yes, it's one
Mine
of my
too.
favorite numbers.
Yeah.
The great thing is, something magical happened when I stepped my fingers. Not only the card kept face up, but something incredible happened.
What?
If you look, there is in fact a post-it precisely with the number 4. You can show them.
I love it. I fucking love it.
It's
I don't
really-
know.
No?
I mean, I know some parts because I know the gimmick,
Of course.
but I don't know how this ends here.
It's really magical.
I mean, the ending of the routine, it's a cherry on top.
It's unexpected, right? I love it as well.
I love it, mate.
I'm going to explain you now.
Please, I want to know. Love it.